Hello everyone and welcome to our Hishkaro Creek analysis of section F Baroshke, done by the students Hadith Al-Hashimi and Mustafa Auni of College of Engineering, Architectural Engineering Department of the American University of Kurdistan. We will walk you through the history and geography of the site, then to the current situation of the creek, all the way to the proposed design and plantation suggestions. Hishkaro is located in Duhok, Kurdistan region of Iraq, and it is surrounded by a hilly area which makes it dry most time of the year. Here is the geography of the Baroshke site. Now for the land use, 80% of the land use is residential as seen in the yellow highlighted areas. Then comes commercial, empty lands, and public services. We have only one parking lot, one mosque, and one high school. Land used through real-life images are presented as shown. Only one main road leads to Baroshke, which is the Barzan Motorway Highway. Other than that, one can only access Baroshke through the sub-streets that are very narrow. For the noise, a very noticeable noise source is this large electricity generator that is in the same substreet of the high school. And also in addition, we have the number of cars coming from the highway to the substreet. It causes a lot of noise that affects the entire area. There is only one activity to do, which is to go and sit in a local cafe shop or shop in a small shopping place. Now, for the circulation and car movement, the average number of cars crossing the main street, which is highlighted in red in this picture, is 187 cars per hour, which is rush hour. For the risks, the most important one is due to all of the dumpster outrage, the area has become prone to diseases, pollution more than others. People's opinions regarding their houses that are dangerously near the creek, people wanted to keep their houses as they are without changing their locations or rebuilding them. Regarding walkways, people welcomed the idea of having more greenery inside the area of Baroshke. They particularly suggested having more pavement/pedestrian walkways. For the proposed design of the Directory of Water of Sewage, 4 main sections were proposed, 2 of which suggested that only the width of and the depth of the Baroshke River can be changed without having any area for landscape, greenery, or any design around this creek. In section 3 and 4, we can see that there is a mix of both section 1 and section 2, in which we can see a terrain-supported wall, and we can see that the creek is going more in depth. This is the discharge proposed by the Director of Water Sewage. Now for the international examples, we have the first one. San Antonio River is a major waterway that originates in central Texas in a cluster of springs in midtown San Antonio. We can see that it has great usage of greenery in the bridge, which can be implemented in Baroshke alongside the surrounding area used as outside seating, which also can be implemented in our site. For the second river is the Aral River in Italy. It's short, it's 175 meters long and flows through a small village in Italy. It shares commonalities with our site Baroshke and Hishkaro Creek that flows in it, and we can see that they made great use of the residential spaces around it, which we can take inspiration from and add it to our site in Baroshke.
For the proposed design suggestions, we have gathered 5 design suggestions that include changing the high school location, design with eco-friendly material, and cleaning the river area along adding greenery. Here are 3 hand-drawn section sketches of the current situation of Hishkaro Creek in Baroshke. This is a render sketch of a modified and enhanced version of the river and bridge area. Now for plantation, we are suggesting the locally available plantation. We have chose 3 trees, pine, chinar, and sabahbah, all of which are suitable to plant any time of the year, and they require minimal maintenance, in addition to being affordable in all sizes. From the slide, you can see all the information regarding these trees, from their size, color palette, life cycle, price, and be used throughout their 4 seasons. For the shrubs, we have chose fall cypress, shimshar, and tuja occidentals. Again, the reason of choice for all 3 of these shrubs is the minimal maintenance they require and affordable price. For flowers, we went with Gul Muhammadi, Nargis, and Rehan flowers. With the diverse color palette and minimal caring steps, these flowers will enhance the visual aspect and the environmental aspect of Hishkaro Creek. These are suggested placements for the plantation. Here we decide to implement some biophilic design patterns to enhance Hishkaro Creek. Here are some solutions for water pollution like wastewater treatment, green agriculture, and stormwater management. Here are some biophilic activities to include in the creek. This is weather analysis of the Baroshke area throughout the year, and lastly, here is the topography of the site. Thank you.